Organic Valley believes that when we do what's right and when we cooperate with each other and with nature, the good we create ripples outward, and that has a big impact. So we're proud to share our story with you in Organic Valley's 2021 Impact Report. At Organic Valley, everything starts with care for people. We are a cooperative. During our 33-year history, we have grown from a handful of farmers into a community of more than 1,800 caretakers of land and animals. Our entire business model puts farmers first. We make decisions with farmers at the table. Our founding mission is literally to pay farmers a stable, sustainable price for their hard work and dedication. In an era that has seen the mass industrialization of agriculture, we keep family farms on the land. Our farmers are supported by nearly 1,000 mission-focused employees who we honor with progressive policies like generous paid parental leave, equal pay for men and women, and remote work and flexible schedule options whenever possible, and a $15 per hour minimum wage across our entire business. Our 1,800 organic family farms are committed to farming in harmony with nature. That means that care for animals is always at the top of their minds. Our farmers know that every animal has a personality. They respect their animals and honor the nourishing food they provide to us. Our cows live a low-stress, natural lifestyle. In fact, they spend more time grazing outside than 95% of dairy cows in the U.S. And that low-stress lifestyle and being outside makes for healthy animals. Our organic family farms have fewer incidences of illness than the rest of the dairy industry, thanks to organic practices, our robust animal care program, and our farmers' care. Our chickens and turkeys are never caged. They get plenty of outdoor access and continuous access to food and water. Our pigs are free to relax and interact with others in their shelter or on their pasture. They never see the inside of farrowing crates. Our family farms care for the earth by working with nature, not against it. Organic Valley's climate-smart farms create an organic ecosystem that regenerates the soil while providing excellent nutrition to animals and humans. Across the nation, our farms take care of more than 460,000 organic acres of land. 189,000 of those acres are pastures that remove carbon from the atmosphere and store it in the soil. Our farmers use rotational grazing and focus on biodiversity, water quality, and conservation. These regenerative farming practices create healthy pastures, help reverse climate change, and promote life in the soil. And they provide a tasty, diverse diet for their cows. Beyond pasture, our farmers have spared the earth by keeping more than 440 million pounds of chemicals off the land. And 1 out of 10 Organic Valley farms reduce their reliance on fossil fuels with on-farm renewable energy systems. We are halfway to becoming a carbon-neutral business. We reduce energy use where we can, install new solar and wind energy sources, and offset other business emissions with carbon credits from an organization that plants trees in the Amazon. And as of 2019, our owned facilities are powered with 100% renewable electricity. We do all these things because we believe everything is connected in one amazing natural equation. It adds up like this. Healthy soil and healthy plants create healthy animals. Healthy animals give us delicious and nutritious food that creates healthy people. And it all adds up to a healthy planet. At Organic Valley, we respect the interconnectedness of all life, and we're proud of the impact we create. We invite you to learn more about how we're working to create a better world at ov.coop/impact.